Doggy, doggy, hello.
Alright, holiday now.
Come on, come
He
on.
did, but no, she's
She's used to being a bit of a black dog.
oh, and I mean with dog food, as it's a dog, you know, chicken, steak, sausage. See, they've never had a dog before, so I keep trying to explain, because I've had dogs all my life, but I had to have mine put to sleep about 6 months.